How do we prepare our children for the world of tomorrow? We want to create it, and we're doing here in Cantt Public High School. By innovating and staying at the cutting edge, bring us on the front foot of our sector. Our school is such a combination of all those ideas of our aspiration and having ambition to provide very best quality education for our future leaders. We want to create a full spirit of leadership among our children who are our next generation leaders. To be passionate, they need to be humble, confident, they need to have the ability to understand the world in which we are living.